All right, welcome to Sleep Science today. We've got all sorts of sleepy teenies and smoothies and all sorts of things made to help you sleep. So, what are we going to do now? We are going to do apple and pear and mango. And we call it the apple pear mango retreat. And you'll see why in a minute. All right, number one, we need some pear. So let's go ahead and get some pear. Easy as that. Cut it into pieces, make it easier to muddle. Pear. We need some apple. All right. Cut it into pieces, make it easier to muddle. And we got apple. We need mango. All right, we're going to cut some mango off of here. And then, the magic ingredient, 3 milligrams of melatonin, chamomile tea, good old muddler. You know, we need a name for this. If you watch these videos a lot, drop in a comment. Let us know what to name our muddling stick. Seems kind of a shame we don't have a name. All right. Let's muddle this together. Those flavors are going to really mix well. All right, martini shaker. What do you put in it? You put ice in it. So we put ice in it. What else do you put in it? You put your drink, but you don't put the pulp in. It's too hard to get it out once you put it in. So we leave it out in the first place. Look at that. Okay. And it's time to mix the shake. Okay. What do you think it's going to look like? Blue, green, pink? Probably a light green. Exactly as I thought. And take a taste of this one. Very subtle flavors. Definitely taste the mango, but it's in the background. And the apple and the pear are sort of perfectly combined. It's a really unusual taste. I was about to say, I wish you could taste it, but you can. All you got to do is make this yourself at home. So what do we put in there? We put apple. Take the apple of your choice. We put pear. We put mango. We put chamomile tea. And we put 3 milligrams of melatonin. Shake it all up, and voila. So, if you have a suggestion for a name for a muddling stick, drop it in the comments below. Let us know. Maybe we'll use it. You could be a star. And subscribe. Click the notification bell. You clearly have to like it. And tell your friends. Learn all about sleep and how to sleep better on Sleep Science Today. Like we always say, sleep science today and sleep better tonight.